Hello friends, my name is Pooja and you're watching my YouTube channel Knowledge Just by Click. So here we are to solve the paper 2 and the social studies paper which has been given on MTET, that is Meghalaya's Teachers Eligibility Test official sample paper solved. So we have done a couple of series friends. For paper 1 we have solved almost all the sections. So if you are interested, please go and see the paper 1. Today we are going to solve Meghalaya's Teachers Eligibility Test paper 2 for social studies, which is there for class 6 to 8. So let's start. So friends, this is the social studies paper. This carries 60 marks and we'll see what the questions are. 61. One of the objectives of teaching social studies at an upper primary stage, according to NCF, that is National Curriculum Framework 2005, is A. To develop in learners skill of observation, identification and classification. B. To develop in the learner a holistic understanding of the environment which emphasizes on the interrelations of the natural and the social environment. C. To initiate the learner into a study of his and her own region, state, country in the global context. D. To sensitize the learner to social issue and develop in his or her a respect for individual and diversity. So friends, option is option number B. Now coming to question number 62. Concepts in social studies should be best classified to the learner through live experience of individual and communities, B. Reading from textbook, C. Using teaching aids, D. Translation. So friends, social studies, it is very clear that the option is option number A. Live experiences of individuals and communities. Question number 63. Teaching of social studies effectively demands on adopting pedagogical process which A. Promotes creativity, aesthetics and critical perspectives, B. Enables children to draw relationship between past and present, C. Enables learner to understand change taking place in the society, D. All the above. So friends, option for 63 is option number D, all the above. Coming to question number 64, which is not a characteristics of social science? A. Preparation for life, B. Create awareness in society, C. Study of man and promote role learning. So friends, never in child development and pedagogy we never promote rote learning. So this is not a characteristic, rote learning is not a characteristics of social studies. Okay, coming to question number 65. Timeline is an effective assessment tool to find out the understanding of learners on A. Development of the concept of time, B. Time of happening and time sequence of historic events, C. Identification of significant events, persons, personalities or events, or D. A, B and C. So option for 65 is option number B. So 65 is option number B. Coming to question number 66. A historic site is a place where A. Historians write history, B. History love people gather, C. Excavation activities are done, D. Realities of the past are relics of the past are found. So friends, for D, it's option D. So at an historic site, we found remains of the past. Now coming to 67. Most suitable chart to support the learning process of learners on the topic administration of Akbar. Most suitable chart to support a learning process of learners on the topic administration of Akbar is option number B. Flowchart. 68. The following sources of history are used by historians to reconstruct the history of Harappa till date. A. Literacy source, B. Archaeological source, C. Oral source, and D. None of the above. So friends, option is archaeological source. People who study history are known as archaeologists. The source from which we get all these things are known as archaeological source. Coming to question number 69. The most decisive battle fought by Babur against the Indians was Battle of Panipat 1562 CE, Battle of Kanwa 1527 CE, Battle of Chanderi 1528 or Battle of Ghagra 1529 CE. So friends, our option for 69 is Battle of Kanwa 1527 CE, option number B. The East India 70 question is the English East India Company became the real master of Bengal after A. Battle of Plassey, B. Battle of Amber, C. Battle of Panipat 3, D. Battle of Akbar. Battle of Buxar. Sorry. So the option for 70 is option number D. Battle of Buxar. 71. The driving force behind the introduction of English as an official language of India is efforts of William Bentinck, Macaulay's Minute, C. to make the India fit for clerk, D. philosophy of evangelicals, humanitarians and liberal prevalent in British at the time. See friends, here it creates a confusion. I will tell you. See, the answer for this is effort of William Bentinck. And see, our education system is based on the research or the study given by which is popularly known as Macaulay's Minute, but it was the effort of William Bentinck. William Bentinck wanted to introduce a change and bring in Indian education system. So he called Mr. Macaulay and asked him to write his study and what should be done in India according for in context to education. So whatever English language is an official language is an effort of William Bentinck. Now coming to question number 72. The use of greased cartridge on the Enfield rifle was the immediate cause of A. The Bundela Revolt 1942, B. Wahhabi movement 1820-70, C. Revolt of 1857, D. Indigo Revolt 1859-60. So friends, the option is option number C. The Revolt of 1857. Coming to question number 73. The founder of the Indian National Congress was S. N. Banerjee, A. O. Hume, B. G. Tilak or D. Naidu. Nehruji, Dadabhai Nehruji. So friends, the option is option number B. A. O. Hume is the founder of Indian National Congress. Now coming to question number 74. Mahatma Gandhi ended the non-cooperation movement in 1922 because of A. repressive policy of British government, B. disunity among the Indians, C. development of communal spirit between Hindu and Muslim, and D. Chauri Chaura movement. So friends, option number D, Chauri Chaura, because of the Chauri Chaura incidents where a lot of people, Britishers got killed. Mahatma Gandhi ended the civil disobedient movement. Now 75, Mountbatten Plan 1947 provide for the a constitution of executive council giving representation to all major Indian communities, the setting up of interim government by the Indians, C. partition of India Pakistan, D. establishment of constituent assembly for frame the. So Mountbatten Plan 1947 gave way to partition of India and Pakistan. So it's option number C. Now coming to question number 76. The most important aim of teaching civics is to imbibe spirit of patriotism, B. produce ideal citizen, C. evolve a sense of fraternity, D. endow full knowledge of the administrative setup of the country. So friends, 76 is option number D. Coming to question number 77. A fundamental right which can be suspended during emergency is right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to life, cultural and educational right. So friends, option is option number C, right to life. So during emergency also the life of a person cannot be given because of national emergency. So the option is option number C. Now coming to question number 78. Fundamental duties was incorporated in the Indian Constitution by which of the following amendments? 46, 42, 43, 44. So the option is option number B. 42, second amendment. Directive principles of state policy aim to establish A. political democracy, B. social democracy, C. social and economic democracy, and D. liberal democracy. So the option is option number B, social democracy. The Constitution of India came into force on 15th August 1945, 15 August 1947, 26 January 1947, 26 January 1950. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Option number D. The words socialist and secular have been added in the preamble by 41st Amendment 1976, 42nd Amendment 1976, 43rd Amendment 1976, or 44th Amendment 1976. So the word has been added on 42nd Amendment. Option B. How many Lok Sabha seats are there in India? 540, 543, 545, 560. So friends, there are currently 543 seats. So the option is option number B. The word democracy is derived from which word? B. Spanish, C. French, C. Greek, or D. Dutch. Friends, so option is option number C. Democracy has been derived from Greek word. Coming to option number 84, democratic government of our time are usually referred to as people's democracy, participatory democracy, representative democracy, or parliamentary democracy. Friends, for 84, the option is option number A. It's people's democracy. Lesson on working of district council can be best transacted in the present class situation through A. Lecture, B. Textbook reading, C. Assignment, and D. Role play. So friends, the clear answer is role play. The organ which enforces the law in the democracy type of government is referred to as A. Executive, B. Legislative, C. Judiciary. So the option is option number C. Judiciary enforces law. Who wrote the national song Bande Mataram? So it's Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee, or none of the above. So friends, it's B. Bande Mataram has been sung by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which feeling results in fostering national integration, overall oneness of the nation, making a national development, feeling of resentment, none of the above? So friends, option number A, overall oneness. Now coming to question number 89, which of the following fundamental right of India prohibits employing of children below the age of 14? Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, or cultural and educational right? So friends, option is right against exploitation, option number C. Coming to question number 90, the predominant party system followed in India today is one party system, two party system, multi party system, or both A and C. So the option for question number 90 is friends both A and C. So there can be one party, two party, or multi party. Coming to question number 91, the stock of skill and producing knowledge embodied in human being is known as human resource, human capital, human skill, and human competency. So friends, it's human resource, option number A. Coming to 92, dash is a measure of money value of net aggregate of goods and services available annually to the nation as a result of economic activity. National income, national product, GNI, that is gross national income, or per capita income. So friends, it is known as option number A, national income. When an individual is engaged in gaining question number 93 is, when an individual is engaged in gainful employment with zero or insignificant contribution to production, the situation is known as seasonal unemployment, educated unemployment, disguised unemployment, or unemployment. So option is 93 is unemployment. Coming to question number 94, migration of labor force in search of better standard of living is removal of time and space barrier, expansion of market, stabilization of cost, or mobility of labor? So friends, the option is mobility of labor, option number D. Hallmark purity is a certification mark for purity and quality of woolen garment, gold and silver, packaged drinking water, or LPG gas. So the hallmark jewelry is for gold and silver. Consumer Protection Act has been engaged and enacted in 1954, 1980, 1986, or 2002. So friends, option for 96 is option number C. Consumer Protection Act came in 1986. Services rendered by teachers fall under which sector of Indian economy? A. Primary economy, B. Secondary economy, C. Tertiary economy, or D. None of the above. So friends, the option is teaching comes under tertiary economy. Option number C. The world population according to 2001 census is 6 billion, 6.5 billion, 7 billion, or 7.5 billion. Friends, the option is option number C, 7 billion. Which of the following Indian state has lowest percentage of people living below poverty line? So friends, I am doubtful about this answer. So if you know the answer, please let me know. Question number 100. Which of the following